Gonna scratch me. I don't got the balls. You okay? Did he scratch you? Like, my eyes actually look black. Where did he go? Where did he go? Maybe he just went somewhere where there isn't myself. Oh, I think I see him there. Is that him? Oh, no, that's not him. I better be seeing his tail. Is he under my bed? I actually feel like he's under my bed. Was that him? Bruh. Oh, he's right there! Say boy to the... Ow! Say boy to the floor. Say boy. He's just there scratching his booty. I don't have the balls to go get him to say bye. I mean, I don't have the balls to go get him to say hi. 1 sec. Give me just 1 sec. Give me just 1 sec. Like, I don't have the get him. Give me just 1 sec. I don't have the balls to go and get him. Just say hi. Just say hi. Butters. Butters. No! No! No, I don't have the balls! I don't have the balls! You guys did not see that. You didn't see it. You guys did not see that. You guys did not see it. I don't know how to replay it. Because you guys did not see that. No! No! Not the closet again. Get out of there! Oh, sorry. You can go. Like, he was like so traumatized. Are you looking at me? He is so traumatized. He always gets so traumatized when I make a sound. He starts freezing and looking at it. I'm gonna go get him to say hi. Butter, just go say hi! It's not that hard. Saying hi is not that hard. Saying hi is not that hard. Now you're just playing games. Now you're just playing games. Now you're just playing games. Guys, you did not see that. You're playing games with me. Bro, let me go play that, guys. Ow! on something. Butters, don't. Just don't. I'm not forcing you. I'm getting you. He's so traumatized. He is so traumatized. He is actually so traumatized that no. Now he's just playing. Bro, this is gonna be a long video. Bro! Now you're trying to play games with me? Then I'll play games with you. Look what he's doing. What is he doing? You know what? You know what? You know what? Guys, just give me 1 sec. One sec. No! No! You're so traumatized. Butters, I'm just getting you to say hi to the vlog. Butters, I'm just trying to get you to say hi. The cameras are not that bad. Look at the cameras. The cameras. It's just like he hasn't seen the camera. Ow! Like he hasn't seen the camera before. Ow, you're biting me so hard. Ow, you're biting me so hard. Look at this. Like, you can't even see it. He bit me.